Hey art friends, today we're going to draw somebody from Minecraft. Who are we drawing?
Steve!
Steve, yeah. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker, some paper, and
Something to color with.
something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
You forgot to do the... Now, we've drawn Steve before, Austin, but this time we're going to keep the lesson even easier. Let's first start by, we're going to draw him with armor too. Diamond armor?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to draw him with his helmet. So first, let's draw the part that goes down his nose and in between his eyes. We're going to draw two lines right next to each other like that. Yeah. Good job. And then down at the bottom, let's connect them. This is for that armor. Then we're going to draw his eyes next. We're going to draw two lines coming out on each side. Like this. Look at that. And then one on the other, two on the other side also. Good. And then at the end, let's connect those from the top down to the bottom. And then in the middle, let's draw another line. And if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need more time. Now we're going to draw the bottom of his helmet. We're going to draw a line that comes across his eye on both sides. Yes. Good. And then let's draw a line that comes down and over on both sides also. Down and over. Down, over. Now let's draw the sides of his helmet. We'll draw two lines, one on each side, one going up like this on each side. Yeah. And then at the top, let's connect those. Two lines also. Yeah. All right, now let's draw the bottom of his head. We're going to draw two lines coming down on each side. Yeah, you're doing it, man. How old are you?
7.
7, you're doing a great job. And then connect the bottom. What's he missing on his head?
His mouth.
His mouth. Let's draw two lines right here. And look at, they're right in the middle of the eye. Yeah. There you go. Okay, now let's draw. We're going to draw two lines coming in. I love your mouth. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down, across, and back up. He's smiling. Oh, I love your smile. You did such a great job. Now, our drawings are looking a little different. Is that okay?
Yeah.
It's super okay because the most important thing is...
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun and to...
Practice.
All right, let's keep going. Let's draw his little hair on each side of his head. We're going to draw a backwards L and a frontwards L over here on this side. Now we're ready to draw his body. Let's draw two diagonal lines, and we're going to draw them coming out like this. Look, they're wider at the bottom. Yeah, you could draw it a little longer too. There you go. Match that one. And then let's connect those together. So we'll draw a line that connects at the bottom. And then let's draw two more lines coming out for the legs. Look at this. I drew them. I came in and then went back out.
It looks like a dress.
It kind of does. Let's draw his legs so it doesn't. Okay, we're going to draw an A shape right here in the middle. And then at the bottom of each of his legs, we'll draw a line that connects the inside out to the outside. Let's add two more lines for his feet. One over here and one over here. Okay, he's missing his arms. Let's draw a diagonal line that comes out and then in. Looks like a sideways V, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, now this is for his sleeves, so let's draw his arms coming out of his sleeves. Let's draw a line, comes down and then back in to his leg, and the same thing over here on this side. Yep, keep going. You did such a great job, Austin. I love your Steve drawing, except we're not completely done. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color him. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Austin, great job on coloring Steve. He looks really cool with his diamond armor on. And we also left little white boxes for the highlights on his armor. What else could our art friends do to this drawing to finish it?
Draw a diamond sword in his hand.
Oh, that would be awesome. That's such a great idea, Austin. You could add a diamond sword or even a pickaxe.
We hope you have fun drawing your Steve.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.